Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Ices, and welcome. There we go. Right back at the throat again. This is gonna be a tough battle because I know it, and I'm probably gonna lose, just like Lord Spurgeon. But you know what? I don't care. Here it is. Zeredraka is back. Yeah, I know, the Awesome Bay. 4 Glaive. Yes, Glaive and Metal Orbit. Going up against Prime Apocalypse. Zero, Dagger, Ultimate Reboot. First to 7 points wins. Ow! 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 Ooh! Okay then, that's a good way to start. My bay only took 2 clicks, which is surprising to me. My bay is a great defense type, but it does not have the best teeth, which kind of holds it back from going too crazy berserk. You know what I mean? Ow! Ooh! Goodness! So Prime now has 1 point. My bay was 1 click away from bursting. The score is 1-0. Oh, ow, come on. I'm gonna call that a tie. Prime Apocalypse hits so hard, and yet my bay took no clicks. See, Prime Apocalypse hits really hard using its speed, which is its big problem, is that, its speed kind of weighs it down, is its kind of, ailment, I would say. Because it can make it pretty difficult. This match does not count. That was a poor launch for Prime, so that match does not count. Hold on, let me over here. There we go. Still 1-0. Prime is actually harder to beat than Lord Spurgeon was. Ew! Dang it. 2-0. Why is my stadium so dirty all of a sudden? Prime has the Mugen lock system, so it's kind of impossible to burst in some circumstances. What? How's that cancel? Prime? You get it! That driver didn't work. Oh! Ew! Danger! Ow! That's a ring out finish because it bursts in the pocket. So now it's 3-0. God dang. My bay cannot handle it. Good thing it bursts in the pocket, not outside, you know. Oh! Ow! Yeah! Dang it! The metal piece popped off again. I'm gonna launch Prime first this time. Okay then, so now it's 4-0. Prime is difficult to beat, I can tell you that much. And skip it about. Oh my goodness! I don't even know what happened there. I was gonna say it's a burst finish, so that's 6 points for Prime. Nothing to my bay. Why is my bay sucking lately? I cannot take down a single Beyblade. Boom. And boom. Dodge! Oh, oh, ew, danger, ew, 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 dodge, ew, danger, ow, ew, ew, ooh, wait a minute, tie. My bay is getting it handed to itself. Boom. I cannot lose a single point. Oh! Oh god! Ooh! 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 Danger! Ow! Defend! Come on! Another tie. My bay keeps taking 2 clicks. Prime is really pushing me. Damn. And that does not count. My bay went flying out of the stadium. So, shut up, Prime. Prime Apocalypse is a mean Beyblade. In order to get a ring out, you have to get it in the pocket. Ow! Oh, goodness! Ow! Oh! Eeh! I'm very surprised my bay has lasted this long. No! We're going to 8. My bay was 1 click for bursting. We're going to 8. I'm not going down like that. Oh! 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 What the heck? You know what? This is going to be a longer video. We're going to 10. I know I keep dragging it out, but Prime will... I need 1 point at least. I'm not going down against Prime. That was a bad launch. This match does not count. Oh, goodness. My bay doesn't even have the best teeth and it's withstanding Prime. It's standing up to him. I'm going to have to bring out a better launcher. Oh! Goodness. Oi! Come on, come on, come on, come on! 1 point to Zeredraka. It's now 8 to 1. That was a barely survivor finish. I don't even care if I lose now. At least I got 1 point. Tie. I'm starting to launch as hard as I can now. Holy! The metal baseball glove! Oh, goodness. Come on. Ow. Hey, stop. God dang. Well, Prime wins. All I could get was 1 point, and I had to extend the match to 10 points in order to win. I will admit, Prime is a very difficult bay to beat. Okay, Lord Spriggan did struggle a lot less than Prime did, just because Lord Spriggan has better contact points than Prime when it comes to stamina and attack. But other than that, Prime is very difficult bay to beat. And Zeredraka tried really hard. So, yeah, guys, I can't really upgrade my bay except for the driver. That's the only thing I can upgrade. So I'm gonna have to get a dash driver for my bay in order to prevent those burst finishes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.